iPadOS 19 Game-Changing Features Overview. 1. Major shift in iPad philosophy. Apple is finally aligning iPadOS with macOS in terms of functionality, aimed at unlocking the full hardware potential of the iPad, especially with powerful chips like M1, M4, and A17 Pro. The biggest step yet to move iPad from a big iPhone experience to a true productivity machine. 2. Desktop-class professional apps. Real versions of apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Xcode, and Adobe tools expected. Not just simplified mobile versions, full desktop-grade capabilities. Universal development between macOS and iPadOS will allow seamless pro workflows. Potential for apps like 3D modeling tools, full Git-based coding environments, advanced design and editing software. 3. Redesigned multitasking experience. Split view and slide over being replaced or improved dramatically. Expect features like freeform resizable windows, stackable and draggable apps, better window arrangement akin to desktop environments, aimed at making multitasking intuitive and powerful, especially with accessories like the Magic Keyboard or trackpad. 4. Stage Manager 2.0. Revamped version of the original, underwhelming Stage Manager. Key improvements include smoother animations, better app grouping, improved snapping and window management, enhanced external monitor support. This could become the core multitasking solution for iPad users working with multiple apps. 5. True Desktop Mode. Possibly the most anticipated feature. Activates automatically with a keyboard plus trackpad setup. Offers persistent menu bar, advanced dock, context-aware controls. Brings a macOS-style experience without replacing the iPad's touch-first nature. 6. External display support. Fully functional dual-screen use. No more screen mirroring with black bars. Independent app windows and control on external monitors. Perfect for professional workflows, especially with displays like Apple Studio Display. 7. iPadOS 19 release timeline. WWDC 2025 announcement, June 9, 2025. Developer beta, same day as WWDC. Public beta, late June 2025. Stable release, September 2025, alongside the next iPhone. Conclusion, iPad's Mac moment. iPadOS 19 marks a pivotal shift in Apple's tablet strategy. Not just an update, but a redefinition of what the iPad can do. Bridges the gap between touch-based mobility and desktop-level power. Ideal for students, creators, developers, professionals,